I'm going to just pick some bitter melons. As you can see, some of these, are green and some are white. We've got to pick them like every other day, because right now they're producing quite a bit. We've had less vine this year than we have other years. Usually when I go out, I get a full bucket full. But we had a hard freeze, and I've got them planted in various places now. But these are really good in this area. And I would encourage anyone to grow the bitter melons because they're very healthy for you, and the rabbits don't like them, the squirrels don't like them, and the pests don't like them, you know. But they're very good for your health. They kind of pull the sugar out of your body, I think. So anyway, that's the video for today.